Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. Last time I did a video on ADT, it's been a month or so. There was a lot of you that was interested in working for them, but that job went really quickly, so I'm sharing again. They are hiring again. Of course, the links, if you're interested in applying, are in the YouTube description box below this video, and I have tested as of the time of posting this video. If you hit the Apply Now button, it does open up another page and let you create an account and apply. So this job is live and accepting applications at this time, but they are hiring a remote customer service monitoring representative. Now it says U.S. nationwide, but then down here it says hiring in the following states, so you might just want to check your state you live in to see if it is listed. But ADT is a home security monitoring system, and so their customer service representatives are just monitoring those house alarms that go off. You'll be handling incoming alarm calls, and you'll place outgoing calls to verify the alarm activity, dispatch the proper authorities, and notify responsible parties. So if you get an incoming call from like a house alarm going off, you will call the homeowner to see if you can get in touch with them to see if it is really an issue or if they accidentally set the alarm off themselves and they don't need any assistance. If there is an issue, you'll dispatch the police, fire, EMS, anything that is needed. So you'll pay attention to detail while documenting the alarm handling procedures within the alarm screens of the ADT system you're working in. You'll complete alarm processing in accordance with all departmental procedures, and you'll also provide alarm reset instructions and basic troubleshooting to customers during outbound and inbound alarm calls. So you will be on the phone with this position. Now they do provide paid virtual training, and they're paying $15 an hour for this role. Now they are offering the standard benefit package that includes health insurance, paid time off, and 401k, but they're looking for somebody who has a high school diploma or GED, someone who has at least 6 months of customer service experience, and someone who can be a problem solver and all of that. Now it does state ability to be licensed in multiple states. I am not sure what that means. You'll have to ask them at the time of the interview. All right, I just wanted to quickly share that ADT is hiring again, but if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments because I do read those and keep that in mind, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.